I'm Robert Noll. This is number 36 daily blues lesson of 365 shorts. Okay, this is a part 2 of chords. There's going to be a lot of shorts coming in the future of chords. This one's dealing with primarily just understanding more about type 1 and type 2 chords. So we give that term to mostly bar chords, but it's dealing with putting the root either on the low E string or on the A string. So let's just say I have a A7. You need to, seventh chords are very important in the blues, and I put a little more focus on sevens. Also nines, like A9, A7. Those are probably your most important flavored intervals of either major or minor chords. So when I have that A7 type 1, I know that I've got the major third here. I see the interval, but I know I can drop that off and make it minor. So minor blues or major blues. And I know I can add that 7 here. But I know I also have a 7 here. So I'm seeing the intervals. Knowing the intervals is so important. And I got my perfect fifth here, which is part of my shuffle, right? So there's a lot going on with intervals and understanding. Type 1 defining that A here. But if I played A way up here on the 12th fret, that would be the same thing. I'm defining A. I've got my perfect fifth, my shuffle. I've got my other intervals in here. And I've got my 7, my third, and I got a perfect fifth on the top. So I see a type 1, I see my type 2, I see my open A7 variations. So that's probably where we want to start. Then we want to look at maybe what would be in form 1, where our form 1 A7s are, our form 3 A7s, our form 4 A7s. And we want to really get into learning type 1 and type 2s of 7s, and also we'll go into 9s. I'll specialize in 9s in another video. But those 7s have a flavor. You need to hear what 7s sound like versus just a plain chord. We give it that 7 and it gives it that 7 sound, that dominant 7, that minor 7. It's powerful and it's serious. And if I was playing blues, A minor 7, it's a lot different sound than A7, down to earth, versus the minor. So let's start analyzing your chords. That's where we're at with this right now. Let's analyze, understanding basic chords and seventh chords. Okay? All right.